Welcome to Market Snapshot from the InCred Equities desk. In this podcast, our expert from the equities research team helps you navigate the stock markets with a quick roundup on the previous day's closing, along with relevant insights. Whether you are an experienced investor or starting out, this podcast will equip you to take informed decisions.
Good morning, everyone. Nifty had a rather weak session yesterday, both Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. Since the opening hours, Nifty continued to witness under pressure. There were times when it looked as if it will witness some amount of covering, some amount of upside and relief, but that was not the case. It closed near the low point of the day. With yesterday's fall, Nifty has completely washed out the gains it witnessed a couple of days before. Same was the case with Bank Nifty, which was up almost 1,000 points in a single day. It has given up the entire gains and closed almost at the same levels from where the rally started. Interesting things ahead. There are two reasons. One, for Bank Nifty, 51,000 remains a key support area. If Bank Nifty sustains all these levels, we may see some relief. Second, for Nifty, it had been in the formation of higher tops and higher bottoms on hourly charts. This is a characteristic of an uptrend. So on short-term charts, it was looking as if it will go towards 24,700 based on this move. And for this view to remain valid, the key point that one should be watching out for is 24,140, which was the previous swing low before it went towards 24,500, which was the initial target. So if today we have a more trading session today, a truncated session, and for that matter, if Nifty sustains above 24,140, then probably we are heading towards level of 24,700. If that particular level is taken out, then there is going to be some more consolidation. Nifty may form a triangle pattern, or it may form some other complex corrective patterns. As I've been saying, don't play for bottoms, play for upsides, play for small profit booking entries, and that is how it should be approached. Yesterday, the market breadth was not very weak, but it was more centered around the pressure on the indices. Now, whether it was broader market indices which were flat, or some of the sector indices which were also flat, but Nifty and Bank Nifty were the ones that were reeling under pressure. US markets yesterday closed on a very weak note. S&P was down almost 1.8, 1.9%. Nasdaq was down about 3%. Both of these indices closed near the low point of the day. If Nifty at this point in time is showing a flattish move, but that is not the true picture. Today being holiday, we might be having some amount of abnormalities on that part. But as I said, if Nifty opens or trades below 24,140, things would not look that good. The major supports on a very immediate basis stands at 26,900, 24,000. If this level is also taken out, then we are heading towards 23,500, where the 200 exponential moving edge on daily chart is placed 23,400, 23,500 zone. Supports for Bank Nifty 51,000, below that 50,000. FIs yesterday sold around 5,800 crores worth in cash. Domestic bought around 3,500 crores worth in cash. So the selling by FIs remains unabated. It's been substantial. If you accumulate, if you add up the numbers, it becomes quite significant. More than 1 lakh crores selling in a month. So that is something that one needs to ponder about. Of course, there is reallocation happening from India to China, US and other markets which have done either well or which have been trading near low point of the multi-month supports, which makes them interesting. Nevertheless, we have seen some pressures building up on that part, on the front. As far as commodities are concerned, gold and silver, they are trading in a range-bound mode. They are volatile, but they are range-bound. Dollar index has moved towards 104.5. A close above 105 can result in a swift move towards 107, 108. That can put additional pressure on the equity markets. We are not seeing that much of a correction coming in from US markets. If the correction starts over there, that is the time when we may see some more pressure coming in the global equities. We have outcome of US election very soon. The elections will be held on 4th of November. By 5th, we'll come to know which party is coming to the power, who is going to be the next president. That may again give some cues. So US markets may again see some pullback, maybe in a range. After first week of November, we may see some more downside sort of coming in. So today, be very skeptical. If Nifty sustains about 24,140, give a buy. Even if it is a 15-20 point stop loss, that is also fine. But you can give a buy. If Nifty trades below 24,140 spot, avoid buying. Then your buying should be placed around 24,000, 24,030, where as far as options are concerned, good amount of trading has happened, 24,000 put option, making it a good support area. So then your stop loss becomes slightly below 24,000 and you play for 24,200, 300, 400 kind of levels. Place your trades accordingly between Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty is looking more interesting. That is it from our side. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.